Hello guys, what's up? I hope you'll be fine and good. I'm Surush Designer, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about rotate option in SketchUp. It's really simple and easy, and it's really useful in your jobs, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Before we start this tutorial, like and subscribe, don't forget it, and let's go. For using the rotate option, at first we need to find this option in the SketchUp environment and toolbar. So I can find it from the large toolbox at the left side, the icon like the rotate option, stretch, copy and array selected entities in the axis. You can click on it and it works on the faces, sometimes on the edges and other type of places. I want to delete this character in here, and I want to draw some simple box with simple dimension like 1 to 1, and the height is about 1. Now we have very simple box in here. As you can see, for rotating this item I can select it and click on the rotate option. Actually my mouse converted to the rotate icon in here, and you can see it lock on the vertices, endpoints, midpoints, or the start points, or the faces, and it change in different type of axes automatically. Very simple and easy on the green axis, red axis, or blue axis. So you can work with the rotate option in creating some complicated models in SketchUp. For example, I want to delete this box in here and draw some circle, for example in 1 meter radius, and now I want to draw some line from the center to one of these edges. Now I want to click on the arc option in here and create some type of arc lines like that. As you can see, something like this. And now I want to delete this line and this line. Now we have these lines in here. For example, I want to delete all of this or convert it to some type of group, and now this line is completely work in other place. So for example, I want to use the rotate option. Actually I can click on it and rotate it in different type of parts and places, or I want to copy and rotate it. So I'm going to click on the control on my keyboard and select this line to this place and adjust some number like 23. As you can see, this model has been created for us. Very simple and easy. You can convert it to the group and take it to this place, or you can take some copy of it, for example in 3 meter, and now I want to explode it. Actually when I delete this, you can see these lines work completely in other way, and it's really useful. Sometimes you need to delete all of these lines and draw some another line for another shape. So I'm going to draw this line in here, for example, and now I want to select it, or I can do lots of works with it. For example, I can create some simple face for it in the blue axis. As you can see, something like 20 centimeter, something like that, for example. Or you can change it very simple and easy on blue axis and create some face like that. So I want to click on it and convert it to some type of component. As you can see, now we can take some copy rotates in this circle with some simple numbers. For example, I want to model turbine in here, so I just need to open one of them and extrude one of them like this for a little bit, something like that. As you can see, very simple and easy. Or you can create some type of shapes for it, so you can draw some arc lines on your face, something like that, and delete these extra lines in here. And now you can select this edge and move it to this side. As you can see, something like that, for example 30 centimeter. And now you can extrude all of them like this. Actually, you can create these type of shapes very simple and easy, I think under than 3 minutes, and it's really useful for you. Sometimes you can hold this and convert it to some type of group in here. Now I can draw some rectangle like this and rotate my model something like that, or take some copies in other side. Or sometimes I can click on the move option in here, move it on the blue axis, flip it on the blue, and take some type of copies on the red axis, for example 3 centimeter and 5 time copy, something like that. As you can see, very simple and easy. So you can do lots of works with the rotate option in here. And I want to draw some box for the final, extrude it, convert it to the group. And now, for example, I want to draw some other face in here like this. And now I want to take some rotate copy like the circle. So I'm gonna click on the rotate option in here and draw some type of things for it. As you can see, now we have these type of copies in here. Sometimes you can delete these boxes and only use your rotate option to rotate your model, something like that, or some other type of things of it, and it's really useful in your jobs. So I want to zoom on these parts, and I'm gonna zoom extend it or turn it to the house view. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, don't forget it, and goodbye.